If you want your gutters to continue to do a good job, it's a good idea to clean all the leaves and twigs and debris out about twice a year. So here's some quick tips that'll make the job easier. Just use a garden trowel, or if you don't have a garden trowel, an empty metal can will work great to scoop out all of the stuff that collects in your gutter. Now, if your downspout is clogged, it's really just as simple as using a garden hose. Just insert the garden hose through the top of the downspout, then turn the water on full force. Now, the blast from the water will actually unclog anything that's stuck in the downspout. Obviously, you're going to need a ladder to reach your gutter, so here's a safety tip for you. Be sure to never use your ladder on ground that's muddy, wet, or frozen. Instead, make sure the legs are resting on a dry, flat surface.